Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this Motorola. First of all, access tab menu and look for auto rotate icon. When you find it, tap on it. As you can see, after that, auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same icon. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then click on Advanced, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!